Welcome back, genius. Now, have you heard that mostly annoying phrase that if you do what you love, you'll never work another day in your life? I say annoying because 70% of people legit hate their jobs. I mean, you might be one of these people who's going into work and crying on your way on Monday, or sneaking to the parking lot wishing you could run home. Or you might be like most people and you're looking for a new job on your work computer. Because the reality is most people don't live that way. But I do, and I'm grateful because I love being a marketing consultant. It's something that I would find a way to still do even if it wasn't my career. But that's what this video is about, is making sure that as you're building your business and mastering your career and finding out what you want to do, that you're not 100% focused on passion. Because passion doesn't pay the bills, honey. You have to be very good at what you're going to be doing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to be able to find less hustle and more flow as you are building your business and finding out what you do better than the next 100 people. So here are my 3 tips on how you can find less hustle and more flow in your business. Top 3, and the only 3, mindset, skill, and execution. It might be controversial, but I don't believe in building your life around passion or falling into the delusion that you or I can build a high performance lifestyle with a hands-off career strategy. I did not grow up privileged, but I did grow up with a mindset to see and seek opportunity and to move very quickly when opportunity presented itself. And one of the things that I know as a first-generation American business owner is that people will pay you if you can solve their problems. So the first thing that I did when I was deciding on what to do with my life and all around mindset was to decide to be a problem solver and to put energy and invest in developing that skill. Because if you can solve a problem for someone, if you can be a hero in someone's life, that creates a very pivotal and important relationship and connection. It provides an added value that only you can offer because only you are the problem solver. Now that's something that just doesn't happen overnight. Bless you if you're born with it, but it's going to take some work. I'm not afraid to work hard. In college, I used to say all the time that hard work works. In fact, hard work works when the talented person gets tired. Think in your life of all the talented people you know who aren't living up to their potential. What do you think is missing from the equation? Put it in the comments or find me on social media. I'd love to know what you think the gap is between people who work hard but maybe don't have a whole lot of talent and those who have a ton of talent but don't work very hard. So I personally don't believe in building your life around passion because I don't think that most people have the privilege of exposure. If you've never had an opportunity to be exposed to something that you can fall in love with and do every day, then you're already losing. But everyone has the opportunity to work hard at any given opportunity that presents itself. This brings me to skill. If you want to make money, you have 2 options. You can sell a service or you can sell a product. Now, I run a marketing firm in Miami, Florida. We sell a service, which is digital marketing support to small businesses. But myself, doctors, lawyers, computer programmers, all of them have invested their time to sharpen their skill so that they can sell that skill to other people who need it. Now, based on your experience and how good you are at providing that help, remember solving a problem for someone who needs it, that will dictate how much you can charge for that service. Depending on your industry, the price range of what you can get for a service can really range, right? It could be a huge gap or it could be a really narrow space in which you can earn money. The other option that you have is to have a product. Now that product still needs to solve a problem for your customers. And you need to be able to present that product in a way that's accessible to your desired target audience. That means that if you have a product and it's available everywhere, you can't have a high price range for that product because it won't sell, you know. And if you have something that's really prime and it's nuanced and something that is a rare commodity, then that's something that people might want to pay a little bit more for because it's harder to get their hands on it. Now either way, you'll need to be able to present that product in a way that is easy for your ideal customer to find it and buy it and get it. Now all of these things have to do with your ability to understand your audience and to solve the problem and give them the answers to what they need. So here's the thing, in both scenarios, your customer and your clients don't care about your passion. They care about your ability to solve that problem for them. And they care about the quality in which they're going to get that problem solved. So as you're building your business and thinking about how you can grow your brand, really focus on the quality of your product or your service, because the money will come. Last is execution. If you're looking for less hustle and more flow, profits are the lifeblood of business. When you have profit, you can reinvest that revenue into sharpening your skills, into hiring a more skilled team, into hiring a team that can offer things that you can't do by yourself. Investing into tech tools that make your back office systems run more smoothly. Having consultants come in to help you catapult and jump steps when it comes to learning curves of what it is to run a business like the one you already have. When you have profits, that helps you to move forward. So being able to execute solving a problem for your audience at a quality level only helps you to be able to find time to expose yourself and to do personal development to find your passion. You see, one isn't dependent on the other, but one helps the other to grow, I believe, more effectively. Because when you are bringing in money and your team is doing well and everyone is earning a living and living well and they can embrace that lifestyle, then you'll have the opportunity to look for your passion. But you don't need to have a deep passion of any kind in order to do well and to have a high performance lifestyle. What you do need to understand and be comfortable with and really embrace is working hard. Simply be a hard worker, commit, and have some pride about the quality of service that your business offers, and believe me, the rest of it will follow. Clients and customers singing your praises because of the amazing experience they had can really take your business far. It just reminds me of so many people who do not have higher education or who don't have specialized skills but focus on the work that they do every day, and they are living a high impact lifestyle. And one great example that I have from my personal life is my Aunt Myrna. She's not traditionally educated. She came from another country, and while she's here in the United States, she was able to get a job, have a life as a waitress. She was able to purchase a home, and the value in that home is well over $500,000. Now, that hard work is something that wouldn't be replaced simply by passion. Now, you may think I'm absolutely wrong, and if you do, please put it in the comments. Let me know. Find me on my social media. Do you think that passion is everything? That you should be able to build any business from passion and working hard has nothing to do with it? I would love to know your, opinion on the subject. I feel how I feel, and I've seen so many examples of people who simply work hard. Doesn't matter if you have passion. It does matter if you're able to work hard. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information useful, and I hope that you put all of those things to work in your business and in your life to get the mindset, so focus on your skills and to focus on execution. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Go forth and flourish.